Today we're replacing the switch on the passenger side window operator. It's not operating, it won't go up and down. Let's take a look at it. We got the part now. Let's replace the switch. The switch on the side of the door, it's not operating properly. We're going to replace this. And here's the part by Motorcraft. If you want to look that up, let's get at it and see how it comes apart. We're going to take this trim piece off here first, and we're going to be using a small pry bar like this. We'll see what it looks like once we get her off. This little pry bar was amazing. You popped it in here. You can see there's a clip here, a clip here, and it just comes out the other end. It slides in like this and comes out. We got that part off. Now there'll be little clips underneath to take this off also. Let's see how well that comes off. Well, that was easy. There's a little clip in here you push in. Little clips down the bottom. Came out amazingly easy. Now we have to just disconnect the part we need. We'll push those parts in right there, and the switch will come out. To undo the wire, we'll push a tool in that hole, and then the wire comes off. This is the tool that you use to push in that little hole. Works amazing. Popped right off. Couldn't get any easier than that. Well, this one's a little more tricky. We got it out, but there's 4 clips. One here, one here, one here, one here. You have to put a tool on both sides at the same time to release all 4 clips at the same time. Then it just pops out. So be careful not to break anything. And there you go. Well, now we just have to put it back together. You put the new one in. Snaps in place nice and easily. Snap the wires in. Just pop it back together the way it came out. Hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope it helps you.